It's okay. Finally. So how are
Finally,
you?
yes, yes. We have made it finally. Yeah. See, long back I sent you a message too that I wanted to connect with you, but I think you have not seen my message, or I don't
Yeah,
know.
but sometime time
But
problem. That's why.
time didn't match.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not too much into these days. Conversation, like
Okay.
video conversation. I do only audio conversation, and I busy little bit. So that's why.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
how
as
are
yeah,
you?
first time, yeah, give me introduction, and I'm very happy to connect with you. Yes.
Yeah, I'm also very happy. So first, I can I
Yeah. Yeah.
start?
Oh, you. Yes, you.
Yeah, so as you know, my name is Prarthana. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I am a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualification, so I had completed my graduation. And yeah, all about
Okay.
me.
Yes. Nice to hear about you, Pratna. Yeah.
Mhm.
And should I give my
So,
intro also to you? Yeah.
yeah, definitely, I want to know about you.
So this is Alka calling you from Lucknow, and
Okay.
I'm a postgraduate in English. And
Mm-hmm.
if you talk about my family, so I have two sons. They both are married.
Mm-hmm.
My husband is a bank. He's a retired from bank. Yes.
Okay, so these days, how like you are utilize your time to talking with people.
Yeah, yeah. And, I'm a social kind of person, so I'm very, very glad, to have connection with each and everyone, new people as well as the old ones. So I like
Right.
this. I'm enjoying this journey. Yeah, too much.
So do you have a YouTube channel?
No, not yet, Pratna. No.
Okay, so only like you do conversation and you just try to talk with
Yeah,
people.
just to meet with the people and have my time pass in this way. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. Just yeah.
Yeah, it's a it's a very good for we can talk with all of India, like all of I can say world people,
Yeah,
so we
correct.
can connect with easily.
So
So yeah,
recently, I'm talking to some people from Pakistan as well. So
right.
yeah, some from US and from Pakistan. It's very
Mhm.
nice. And it's since when I was not in this group, so my time, so I would just plan today that how would I pass my time today, what to do.
Mhm.
Then sometimes I would lie down on my bed and go to sleep. And if I would sleep in the daytime, I would keep awake in the night. So these kind of things. But now I'm having a good time.
Yes, like time pass. So your children they don't live with you.
No, no, they are posted outside. Like my eldest son is in Mumbai, and the
Mhm.
younger he is in Noida.
Okay. So yeah, it's a difficult time to our manage our time, like whole day we just get lot of time.
The
So
main
yeah,
thing,
you are.
the main thing is about daytime. As summers,
Yeah.
everybody is inside their house. So it's better, to talk with the friends. Yeah.
Hmm. So how's your experience about talking with people?
Yeah, initially the experience is so good. What to say about it? It's very nice. Initially, Pratna, when I have joined this group, and it's been more than 2 months. So that
Mhm.
time, I was not comfortable as well as I was not able to speak to person like I'm speaking now. So I used to not come on the videos. To everybody, I would say that I want to have an audio call only. So
Mhm.
when somebody told me, ma'am, in this way you won't enjoy, first try to come on the video. And after 1.5 months, then I appeared. And yeah, and once I came, now I'm enjoying.
And
Whether
you
it's
are, I can see you are very energetic, like very happy to talk with me.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I.
okay, okay, you can guess from there only. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
You
So.
know, if
Mhm.
I would have this kind of technology, like advanced technology, you people are having these days, if I would have got this kind. So from my very childhood and up to now, my God, what I would have done, I don't know. Just
Right.
flying with English, I would flying with English.
Yeah, same thing. I also thinking when I like these days kids they get like everywhere environment and same thing it happened when I was child. So yeah, now
Oh,
I would be fluent. So yeah,
yeah,
I also
so you
think.
people are still very young. You people, as compared to me, you people are still very young, and there are many years ahead of you. You can achieve whatever aim you have. So one
Right.
day, I was talking to one girl, so she asked me, "Ma'am, what's your future plans?" I was so, what to say. I told her, future is not left for me, yaar. I told her, oh, no, the future, what to do about the future? There's nothing left for me. My sons are well placed. My husband is a retired banker. I'm well settled in life. So nothing about
Right.
the future. What to do? Your future is very little left. So that I.
Right, whatever we have, so just try to utilize and like try to do
But in
fun.
a, yeah, in a good way, in a good way. Yeah, correct. So,
Yes.
but I'm enjoying the journey. What to say? No words, you know. Yeah.
Okay. So apart from that, do you do conversation audio call? Do you have any WhatsApp group or only you use this Skype group?
No, I never know there's somebody's having a group also in WhatsApp. I don't know what this thing, but only on this group. And yeah, one more is there. And that group is only for females.
Yeah, it's both
Yeah,
group.
even you are there on that group, which is of
Yes.
only females. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So I have seen your video na, with one Arif sir.
No, I didn't talk with Arif sir.
Okay,
No.
so maybe with other person I'd seen your video. It was so, it was so, you were so enjoying that session. I don't know what the other person was to whom you were talking. Not with Arif, maybe with somebody else I've seen you. I've
Yeah,
seen
somebody.
your videos.
I talked, I think three, four male person, four, five male person. I talked. Yeah, these days I skipped, conversation video. But sometimes I feel let's do talk with, just enjoy little time with talk with people. So it's good.
So what do you do? If you're not coming on this group, we don't have conversation, then what do you do that time?
Audio call, I do audio call, and apart from that, I do teach student. My grammar part was very big, so I started teaching students
Okay,
who interested to learn English. So mm,
okay.
I, I started teaching. So it's a fun, like I learn. After that I have to learn, after that I have to teach. So in the initial day, like in the beginning, I face quite difficult, but
Okay.
now I feel comfortable while teaching, and I improved myself a lot, grammar
Yeah,
rules, everything. So yeah.
yeah. While teaching, of course, while teaching, even we are also, like learning something or the other. Yeah.
Right.
So you're teaching English.
Yeah, I
You-
teach English, how to speak English, whatever I know. So I just try to teach them.
Okay, you take classes at home or you go
Online,
somewhere.
only online. I'm giving classes online, like a needy women's. These days I'm giving only women's, but I'm going to start my next class.
Okay.
So like I have been teaching since February. So that like they women, they able to speak English, they started their speaking. So I thought you will, okay, they are capable to speak, so they can learn gradually because they capable, and let's teach someone. So
Right.
again I'm going to take
Right.
other classes.
It's good to keep ourselves busy.
Right.
So
And
how old are your kids, Pratna?
my kids, they are very younger. My elder one is only 8-year old, younger one is 4-year old. So
Oh,
they are
they are
very little.
young. You have to look after them also. Yeah.
Free time look up, when they go to school, that time I try to talk with people and connect with. It's like now they are taking siesta, so just I think let's talk with someone.
Okay, okay. So today is it your first conversation with me?
Yeah, today after a long time I do conversation, I can say a month.
Oh, acha. So as you are a YouTuber, so you don't want to upload or to have conversation. What do you do? So you're
Actually,
not featured with
upload
this.
there, but my classes video I upload there, practice video, and
Okay,
sometimes I make my solo video, like whatever practice I want to do, and some advice to people they want learn English, because my level was very weak when I began my journey. So they people watch my video, so they just ask me, ma'am, what you did and how you improved yourself. So I made like this video and some my classes video.
yeah, but Pratna, how to improve ourselves? Like even I do sometimes I get stuck with the words. So what to do? How should I overcome this problem?
Yeah, you have to, like, whenever I also sometimes like do stuff reading, I included myself to reading habit, like a story. And if you are fond of to watch stories, like I am very fond of to watch a story video, so I just try to watch a story. And some people, what they do, they just try to listen any good speaker like a Sadhguru and
Correct.
Buddhism, like this. And lots of they speaks
Yeah.
very good. So we can include like
I
a
I watch videos. I watch videos of some, great speakers. So I watch them. And I read also. Nowadays, yeah, I read also. When I get time. Yeah.
vocabulary session we can get, like a reading and a listening good speaker,
Correct.
so we can earn. And it's a very long process, I can say, because English is not our I can say it's a third and fourth language. If I talk about myself, it's a third language. So it's a
Yeah.
take right time, and we can learn gradually. It's
Oh,
a
yeah, how many language you know? Yeah, you know Hindi, English, and what else? Do you know
uh,
other language?
I know Bagheli is my Bhojpuri Bagheli. I know.
Okay,
I speak very well Bhojpuri Bagheli, Hindi, and English. I am speaking with you, and I understand Punjabi also.
okay, that's good. So, what is the native language? Is it Hindi?
Yeah, mostly people they speak Hindi, but in my village they speak it's a Bagheli. It's mixed up to Bhojpuri.
Okay, okay.
It's a Bundelkhandi.
So, I forgot which place you are calling me from. Which city?
I am from Madhya Pradesh, but Rewa, Madhya Pradesh in Rewa.
Oh, correct. Riva, Riva. Close to Katni, Satna, Mayer.
Patni, Maihar, right, right. Yeah. Have you ever been Maihar?
Yeah, my son was posted in Satna.
Okay. So yeah, it's I think in Satna Maihar are situated.
Yeah. And even to Katni, I have been once.
Okay. Okay. So do you have grand son and daughter?
There are two granddaughters. They're very sweet, yeah. And they talk to me in English when I go there. Not always. Sometimes they will talk to me in English. So they are very lovable. And I love my granddaughters, because I myself I don't have daughters, I had only two sons. So my
Hmm.
daughter-in-laws are also my favorite. My grandchildren are also my favorite. More than
Yeah,
my sons. More than my
right.
sons, I love. Yeah.
Yeah, like people they do not realize is, but our parents they love a lot. They just like grandparents. They love too much to.
Of course,
Yes,
too much. We love too much, the grandchildren, more than our children. I'm telling you now that more
right,
than my sons, I love my grandchildren, my daughter-in-law. I mean, daughter-in-law, they're like a friend to me. So, and when we will start talking, we won't see the time. So that sometime more than 1.5, we will be talking. So we enjoy, with my
right.
daughter-in-law.
So have you ever made anything for your daughter-in-law? Sorry, grand daughter,
Any things, what do you mean by things? Any
like
stitching?
food item, like some grandmother they make delicious food. Our grandson, granddaughter. So have you ever made anything special?
Okay, okay, you're talking about the eating
Pieces.
habit, what they like.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I do make them whenever I go there. But the mother is more, specialized in these kind of today's what children are having. So
Right.
yeah, my daughter-in-law they make them. Then sometimes my grandchildren they like to have poha made by me. So whenever you'll go there, Daddy, please make poha for us. I don't like mama's making. Please make for us. So yeah, that's yeah. So I'm
Like
enjoying.
our mother-in-law, she makes mithai, peda. See, I have buffalo in my village town, so whenever I go, so gujia and peda she always makes. And my son, they always wait, mama, when holiday comes, so I will go my village town. My dadi and baba, they like grandparents, they are waiting, and they every day talk. Every day they talk with their grandparents, 2 and 3 times.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, grandparents love their grandchildren too much. Yeah.
Right, right. But sometimes like we are not realize that thing. Sometimes we feel like why see they like they say every time like don't hit him. Like they just save.
Yeah, of course. Rather, you're talking about grandparents, but even parents, they love their children more than the children love ourselves. Parents
Right,
love them too much. Of course, children love their parents as well, but
right.
yeah, but we love them much,
Yeah,
I think. Yeah.
grandparents more.
So in the
Okay.
holidays, they will go to the daddy's house.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely I will go. Like I have mango gardens, and in summer season there are lots of mangoes. So yeah, I will do. I will
Okay, so
go there.
that's a village. Where your in-laws are living, so that place is a village, right? Is it a
Vi-
village?
Village, proper village there.
Okay. So that time
Mhm.
you cover your head when you go there?
Sari and gungat,
Uh,
like
correct. Yeah, we also, yeah, we used to do when my in-laws were there. So like Pardano up to here. Yeah,
Mhm.
even I would say.
Actually, my mother-in-law and father-in-law they say okay when you live in the house, so you just whatever you want wear. But I don't like if someone come and I have to just take off clothes and wear sari. So I
Right,
feel
right.
comfortable. Okay, I am comfortable in sari and I can wear.
You're right. Yeah, yeah. See, my in-laws were in Kanpur. I'm in Lucknow, but when my in-laws were there, they were in Kanpur. So whenever
Mhm.
I used to go from here to Kanpur, then I would wear sari. And yeah, I stayed whole my life with them. But when my husband was retired, then we settled here in Lucknow. So before that, I was with my in-laws. Always I used to wear sari. But when my in-laws passed away, everybody like in my family, they told me, so now what happened? Your in-laws are not dead. You can wear whatever you want. But I was
Right,
not in the habit of wearing, anything besides sari. So I
right,
never get to. So I'm living in Lucknow. Whenever I go to Kanpur, my Devrani is there. But I'm not in the habit of wearing other clothes in Kanpur. So I wear
mhm.
sari only whenever I go there.
Yeah, like we feel comfortable with everyone, like they are everyone live like they
Yeah,
wear
yes,
sari. So
yeah,
when
correct.
we wear sari, so just we feel comfortable,
We
and
also
I
feel
that's
comfortable,
right.
and the other people, like there are so many relatives. Even they have seen us wearing sari the whole life. So
Right.
if I go with other thing, like anything I'll wear, like kurtis or pajamas, anything, so they all will be looking at me. Oh my God. See how she used to wear sari, how she has come, everybody will be looking at me. So no,
Right.
I'm not in habit. Only I wear sari when I go there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, like our culture, our root. We should not forget to our
Yeah.
culture, our
So,
roots. So
yeah,
yeah,
we should be, attached with the roots. So that's more important.
like whatever kids.
I'm recalling that what video I had seen yours. And it was so nice video of yours. So you are telling me not with Arif. Then I don't remember with whom I had seen your video. It was, and in that video you were laughing continuously. So I don't remember. Yeah.
Actually, my habit like this, whenever anyone scold me that time, like one day my mother-in-law was just scolding me, and I just say Naran, Naran, I did it kungat, and I said Naran, Naran. So my sister-in-law sat behind me, and she was laughing, and after sometimes she said, "Ki Mama, when you were scolding to Bhabhi, so Bhabhi was saying Naran, 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 Naran." Like funny things. My habit, sometimes I go to trouble. Sometimes I feel like if anyone very angry and just scolded me and I do laugh, so their anger become very high.
It's a good habit. This habit of yours is very fantastic one. Keep on laughing and make others laugh. This is the best way. Yeah.